Opening an M1 Finance account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Sign up. Visit the M1 Finance website or download the M1 Finance app from the App Store or Google Play. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. Provide personal information. Fill out the registration form with your basic personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password. Complete KYC. Submit additional information required for identity verification, including your social security number, date of birth, and residential address. You may need to upload a government-issued ID and proof of address. Link your bank account. Connect your bank account to fund your M1 Finance account. This step involves providing your bank details or using a secure bank linking process provided by M1 Finance. Choose an account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a taxable investment account, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or SEP IRA. Set up your investment pie. Once your account is funded, create your custom pie by selecting stocks and ETFs or choosing from pre-built pies. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your M1 Finance account to start investing. You can do this with a one-time transfer or set up recurring deposits.